Hey everyone, welcome to Play with Circuit. In this tutorial, we are going to control the speed and direction of a 12-volt DC fan using an Android application, Arduino, and the HC-05 Bluetooth module. HC-05 Bluetooth module enables wireless communications between microcontrollers and other Bluetooth-enabled devices. This is Bluetooth radio. This is the flash memory. This is antenna. This is status LED. This is command mode button, coming to its pinout. This is the enable pin. This is 5-volt pin. This is ground pin. This is TX pin. This is RX pin. This is state pin. Here's what you'll need for this project: an Arduino Uno, an HC-05 Bluetooth module, breadboard, L293D motor driver IC, power supply connector for motor and power supply connector for L293D IC, 1K and 2K resistors, jumper wires. Here is the wiring diagram for this project. We will create the circuit according to this diagram. Now let's wire everything together. Now that our circuit is set up, let's move to the coding part. Here's the code we'll be using for this project. Let's understand the code step by step. First, we include the software serial library to handle Bluetooth communication between the Arduino and HC-05. Here we define pins 2 and 3 as the receive and transmit pins for Bluetooth communication. Now we define macros related to communication with Android app. Star is the start character. Hash is the end character. 14 is the size of the buffer that holds the incoming message from the Android app, which means the message length cannot exceed 14 characters. And this defines the maximum index as 2. Now we define the pins connected to the L293D IC. Now we declare variable related to communication with Android app and motor control. In the setup function, we initialize the pins as outputs and begin serial communication with the HC-05 Bluetooth module. The baud rate for this communication is set to 9600. We also set the motor speed to 0 at the start to ensure that the fan is stopped initially. Now, in the loop function, Arduino receives data from the Android app via Bluetooth. The data is read character by character into a buffer. Here, the while loop reads the data, and once the end character hash is detected, it signals that a complete command has been received. Once the data is received, we need to extract the command. The command from the Android app will contain 2 pieces of information: the fan's direction and the speed. The code extracts the command by looking for the start character star and the end character hash. It then saves this command for processing. These lines control the fan's speed and direction based on the command received. The app sends 2 values, one for direction and one for speed. When the direction is set to 1, the fan rotates clockwise. The speed is mapped to a range between 211 and 255 for smooth control using PWM. When the direction is set to 2, the fan rotates counterclockwise. If the command sets the direction to 0, the fan is stopped by setting both control pins to low. Now connect the USB A to B type cable to laptop. Then select the COM port and now upload the code to Arduino. Now it's time to test the project. First, we need to install this app and pair our smartphone with the Bluetooth module. To install the app, follow these instructions. Now that our Bluetooth module is paired with the smartphone, we can use the app to send commands to control the fan's speed and direction. Now let's see it in action. By pressing the rotate clockwise button, the fan starts rotating clockwise. With this button, we can increase the fan's speed if we move it upward, and if we move it downward, the fan speed decreases. If we press the rotate anti-clockwise buttons, the fan starts rotating anti-clockwise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting projects. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.